In this tutorial I will show you how to design speed text effect in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. Go to Type tool and type your text. Press Ctrl T, adjust the text. Now we will select these two layers. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Stylize and choose Wind. Follow these settings. Go to Filter and choose Wind. Repeat the process. Go to Type tool and type your other text. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Repeat the process. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.